We don't want to end up on Epstein's Island, if you know what I'm saying. Okay.
كي تسترد المظالم حتى الأراذيل ساموا رسول أهل العزائم القول قول الصوارم كي تسترد المظالم حتى الأراذيل ساموا رسول أهل العزائم مثالة البغي صالت فأين عهد الحواسم ناسوا بأننا أبات نذود ذود القشاعم نحن الذين وطئنا بالخيل عرش الأعاجم بالخيل عرش الأعاجم المظالم حتى الأرض.
You know exactly what it is.
Alright everybody, today, as I said earlier, I didn't say earlier, but we are going to take this rocket plane hybrid and send it off that slide.
I agree.
And it's gonna go kaboom, like right away. So this right here is the SPLOCKET, the SPACE-PLANE-ROCCET MACHIINE. And what it does is it has a rocket inside of it that makes it fly. How does that work? Well, it has wings, more wings, and then a rocket. The little twist is the engine is inside the, you know what I mean? So basically, what's gonna happen is it's gonna fly just like that. Get to the chopper! No! But anyway.
Alright, keep going, Mr. Alzheimer's.
We give her a little test flight.
Let's get started.
Chief Dennis was about to name this beautiful beast the ICARUS because, you know, he flew too close to the sun and I think he died. I'm ready, spaghetti soldier.
3, 2, 1, launch.
Woo! Whoa! Oh man!
Launch.
Woo!
Whoa!
Oh man! Well, there goes the empennage.
That's okay. Ain't nothing. A little bit of tape ain't going.
You should have thrown it harder.
Hey guys, Hooba Dooba just finished working on our new permanent home.
Just look at how.
That's from Duct Tape and WD-40.
Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. We ain't gonna no more.
We have a charge. Charge confirmed. You ready there, Mr. Chief Dennis?
Ready to go there, soldier. Charge confirmed.
All right, here we go.
Micro rolling, slow rolling, GoPro rolling.
All right. Here we go. 3, 2. Oh, we don't have a charge anymore.
Ah, God.
This is how they do it at Ape Canaveral. We're officially tired of this. We're just gonna go full redneck mode. I mean, it's basically gonna be firing that way instead of through this little proboscis right here, you know. We're not sponsored by the fire department or anything, but here you go.
Thank you.
Time to go get the real igniter. Here you go.
Oh! Rolling, range.
We're good to go.
And charge confirmed.
Charge confirmed. All right. In the words of Alan Shepard, light the candle.
Yeah.
Oh. All right. All right, get ready. Stand up.
It worked. It worked. Oh, it's still smoking. It's barbecue chicken.
Oh, it smells terrible.
Hey, what does it smell like?
Barbecue chicken on there.
Rotten eggs and garbage with just a noots of broccoli. Yeah, it still flew better than most Spirit Airlines flights. Oh my god, that was from the fuse ignite, and you can kind of see the internal spars. Look at that airfoil. That was him. That was him right there. He constructed it all.
Calculated.
Biodegradable.
NASP.
Wait, what'd you say it looks like?
Looks like the roadkill of a bird.
Yeah,
He was one angry bird.
it's the wounded eagle. It flew. And we will see you in the next one. Ogren out.
I'm gonna do something.
Once the engine is off, it's just gonna fly wherever it goes and glide to oblivion. So it just has to be very stable, like mentally stable kind of.
Oh, Charlie!
It's when we fly it like this, the nose is just gonna go like, whoops.
I see the prize on the horizon.
Cut. Here.
Yeah, because when you're up there, you need like at least 1 or 2 oxygen tanks. It's like Everest up there. You better have good car insurance.
Oh wait.
Okay, wait. This ignites, but does not ignite the engine whatsoever. The second thing wrong is it doesn't ignite the engine and then destroys the engine, causing us to rip all the duct tape off. And then put yet another engine in there for a third launch that may or may not work. We're perfect eNgIQWeers.
I'm afraid of the engine just randomly, spontaneously combusting.
Okay, so now it's in 1080p mode, believe it or not. This thing is 1080p.
Are you serious, dude? Are you sure this works?
I did a second ago. I'll get the other one. Here. I'll hand you this one. Alright, don't ignite here. It's like fire retarded now.
Yeah.
Oh!
This is scary.
I think this one's just gonna end up flying too close to the ground.
Yeah, pretty much. So we are gonna call it something much more spectacular. We're gonna call it the SPLOCKET. That looks like Home Improvement right there.
Where's the parachute? I thought you said parachute!
That's clear.
All right, we do have a charge. Go for launch. In 3, 2, 1, blast off! Blast off! My hand's not big enough. Blast off! It ain't lighting.
Ass cheeks and jiggling, you know what I mean, upon this neck.
King of the sky. All right, he's performing quite literal rocket surgery right now, or should I say SPLOCKET surgery?
You're gonna slow go!
Yes, I am decapping right now. I'm very scared.
Running like a Hellcat.
It might start soon. God. Look like